Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And back in February, I talked about a project that was called Chrome OS Flex, which is the basically turning an old PC into a Chromebook using the Chrome OS Flex version that Google has issued. And they actually were talking about how they want to make you use an old machine that maybe you're not using anymore because it's too slow. And, instead of disposing of it, turning it into something that still can be used today to go to the internet and so on, do email. Basically a little Chromebook. And, today, in July 14th, 2022, Google has announced that it's ready for broad deployment. So that means they added more machines and more possibilities, and that it's kind of ready to install. So if in February or March you tried to install it, didn't succeed, you had problems, maybe try again, because they really made a lot of updates since then. And actually I'm going to show you the latest version on my own Toshiba machine, which is a about 8 or 9 year old Toshiba machine, a Core i5 machine from somewhere in 2013 or that I purchased it. So this is the page where you can actually have all the information. You can download it. Now it says Enterprise. Don't be fooled. Just go here and you can try Chrome OS Flex. You'll need Google Chrome on your machine in order to install Chrome OS Flex. And at company name, just write whatever you want, anything. It doesn't really matter, since if you're not a business, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to enter the phone, by the way. Just have to enter where, the little stars are, and put a check mark, and then try Chrome OS Flex. And, you can, of course, not have the check marks here, I believe. It's going to actually have you download Chrome OS Flex, install it on your computer. There's instructions on how to do so. It's not very difficult. You do need Google Chrome in order to create the bootable Chrome OS system that you will install it on your computer with. And I want to answer one question that I had a few times with that. A lot of people having like 10, 12-year-old PCs saying, well, my PC is too old. It can't boot from USB. Yes, it can. Every single PC since at least 2000 and even before have USB boot capability. So yes, it is, but sometimes it might not be in the good order. So in the BIOS, you might need to change the boot order in order to boot from the USB thumb drive. So you can try it out, and I do have a video showing you on this channel how to create, step-by-step creating the Chrome OS Flex boot. So if you can't follow the instructions there, maybe with the video you'll be able to do so. And it will turn one of your old PCs into a Chromebook. Unfortunately, don't think about the Google Play Store and Android apps. It does not run that, but it will be a basic machine that is basically a cloud machine where you go to the internet, get email, stuff like that. You also, if you are on Cloud Ready, because it's based on Cloud Ready, every Cloud Ready user is now pushed to Chrome OS Flex automatically. So the link to this page is in the description below, and I'll have a little video showing the latest version on my own machine coming up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching my videos.